Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're going to dig into something you've almost certainly seen advertised everywhere online, the GuardHouse Compact Wireless Security Camera.
Oh, absolutely. It's hard to miss.
And our mission really is to see if all the hype and the flashy marketing actually hold up when you look a little closer.
Exactly. I mean, the claims on paper are incredibly appealing. We're talking 1080p HD, a super wide 150-degree angle, and the big one, local storage.
Right, no monthly fees. That's a huge draw.
Huge. Plus, they promise it's easy to install and weather-resistant, so you can use it inside or out. So let's start peeling back the layers and look for the red flags.
Okay, so the first thing that really jumps out is, well, a lack of transparency. The technical details are just vague.
Very vague.
They use all these marketing buzzwords like next G features, crystal clear, and premium components. It sounds great, but it doesn't actually tell you anything.
And that's the key. A reputable security company is going to be proud of their specs. They'll tell you the exact sensor they use, the frame rate, the application you'll be using.
But GuardHouse gives you none of that.
Nothing. And when a company relies on a word like premium to do all the heavy lifting, that's a huge indicator that the components themselves are, well, probably not premium at all.
So that vagueness about the tech leads right into the second and maybe bigger red flag, the actual user experience. We looked at feedback from people who actually bought it on places like Amazon and Walmart, and the marketing just completely falls apart.
It's really a night and day difference. The complaints are so consistent. People say it feels cheaply made, the connection is unreliable, and the setup is a nightmare.
And the app. People said the app is loaded with intrusive pop-up ads.
Yeah, and that advertised live stream often doesn't even work properly. The video quality, even though they claim 1080p, is apparently pretty poor, especially in low light.
But here's the part that I found fascinating, the refund process.
Oh, this is the best part.
Some users reported that when they complained and asked for a refund, the company just gave them their money back and told them to keep the camera.
Just think about that for a second. What does it tell you if a seller is willing to eat a $40 loss just to avoid dealing with a return?
It tells me the product has almost no value to them. It would cost them more in shipping and handling to get it back than the thing is actually worth.
Exactly. Which brings us to red flag number 3, the pricing and the absolutely massive markup.
Okay, so get this. We found what appears to be the exact same camera on wholesale sites like Alibaba,
And the price,
somewhere between $1 and $4 per unit.
$1 to $4. And they're selling it for $40.
$40, that's a markup of, what, 1,000%?
At least. This is a textbook example of drop shipping. The seller never even sees or tests the product. They just spend a ton of money on ads to get you to their website and then have it shipped directly from a supplier.
So there's basically zero quality control involved.
None. Their business model isn't built on creating a good product people will recommend. It's built on selling a huge volume to first-time buyers who get pulled in by the ads.
So let's bring this all together. While we can't definitively call it a scam, there are some really serious concerns here.
For sure. The lack of transparency, the terrible user reviews, that bizarre refund policy, and the extreme markup.
It all points to a product that just doesn't deliver on its promises. So you should be really, really cautious if you see those flashy 50% off today only ads for tech like this.
And I'll leave you with one final thought to mull over. If a company's business model is so cheap that they'll give you a full refund without even asking for the $40 product back, what does that imply about the quality and value of other products being sold with these same aggressive online-only marketing tactics?